Okay, so one thing I haven't done yet is I haven't done an official review of my backpack system that I got. So one of the things that I really wanted to go for this time around was really going away from the traditional suitcase route. I saw people carrying, these travel packs on their back. And I'm like, you know what? I think it would be very useful if I got myself a bag that I could carry to maybe, less developed countries. And so I wouldn't have to depend on carrying my suitcase that should be rolling on wheels. Anyways, so what I settled on is the Osprey Farpoint 55-liter backpack. And the reason why I settled on this backpack is because you can see it in two spaces right now. So basically, this backpack is very useful. Pardon all my cords and everything. I just got into Cusco, but it's a backpack that can serve as a duffel bag and a backpack in one. So basically you can remove this as a day pack or just just a regular backpack for whatever your needs are. Like I've got my laptop in there and some small snacks. So the backpack's 20 liters, this one is 35 liters, right? And so what I would do is, or what I've done is, this right here, is just open this guy up like so. There was a lot of options when it came to packing cubes. So what I really decided on, I guess I went with the branded approach and I just went with Osprey. I could probably have paid, jeez, really? I probably could have paid a lot less for getting different packing cubes, but I just felt like, they're appropriate. Gotta get your style game up and match. So, anyways, I got a few of these different Osprey bags. I've got one that's small and I use my electronics in it. And then, like this came in a 3-pack. These 3 right here, 1, 2, and 3. It was like $37 on Amazon. And then I got this this really nice toiletry organizer. It rolls out and whatnot. It's just, you can fit so much crud in it and pack it into a really tight space. So boom, there you go. So I got like my toothbrush, deodorant, mouth guard, other stuff, and mirror. On top of that, since I am going to be hiking the Inca Trail, I got a 20-liter dry pack. So this thing is really cool. It'll keep your stuff dry. It looks roughly like the same material, but it really takes the air out and helps you compress everything down. Now, the really cool thing about this is that when you get all of your stuff broken down, right? So it's my huge, giant size 14 Nikes, is that you can treat this as a duffel. So for instance, I treated this as a carry-on because if, I was flying Aeromexico, if I would have put this all as one backpack, then I wouldn't have been able to take it. So I had my backpack and then I put this as a duffel. So in the back, you can just zip this down. This is really difficult to do. Sorry. There we go. So you can zip this down, roll it up like so, and then you have a fully supported backpack. So listen, it's been super helpful for me. It costs me about $150 on Amazon, and my tea is almost ready. So it cost me about $150 on Amazon. I got it delivered through DHL from the UK, but still it was free shipping. So I highly recommend the backpack if you are a frequent traveler and if you're going to countries that may be less developed. It just helps you get around quicker and you don't have to be a stereotypical traveler. So anyways, that's my review of the Farpoint 55. Stay classy.